Wood jewelry is 100% natural, which means it needs to be cared for more attentively to maintain its authentic beauty. Many people love the natural look and feel of wood jewelry, so we are going to share some care tips on how you can enhance and preserve the authentic beauty of the wood. What you should not do to your wood jewelry is use water or rubbing alcohol. This will dry out and strip moisture from the plugs, which will lead to discoloration. We at Arctic Buffalo recommend the use of oil to condition your wood to maintain that authentic beauty. Wood is a porous material, so it needs to be moisturized regularly in order to keep its natural composition. If the wood is not properly moisturized, stretching and shrinking can occur with temperature changes, and it will start to dry out and eventually crack. Oil also acts as a barrier that can help protect your ears. When not oiled, the wood absorbs the oil out of your skin, drying out your ears and exposing your skin to bacteria. Now, let's get into the process of oiling. Before you begin, make sure to wash your hands to get rid of that unwanted bacteria. To start, you want to use a cloth to wipe off the piece of jewelry. This will remove any dust or any of your dead skin that may be resting on the surface from previous times worn. Many types of oil will work to moisturize your jewelry, but at Arctic Buffalo, we recommend using jojoba or vitamin E oil, which can be found on the Arctic Buffalo website. Add a fingernail-sized drop of oil to a paper towel for larger plugs and half that amount for smaller plugs. Gently massage the oiled paper towel into the wood. You can use a Q-tip to get into any small crevices. Make sure the piece of jewelry is fully covered, but not soaking. Too much oil will cause the wood to expand to a larger size. Set it on a dry paper towel to sit overnight. If any paper towel fibers were left on the plug, wipe them off, and then they're ready to wear. We at Arctic Buffalo recommend oiling your jewelry at least once a month for regularly worn jewelry. And for best results with wood products, make sure you are not wearing your wood jewelry for multiple days and nights in a row. With such a porous material, you need to allow the wood and your ears to breathe. Also note that wood should only be worn in healed ears. There are so many different types of wood used for jewelry products. In the case of a wood sensitivity, try out some other types of wood and make sure you are oiling your jewelry properly before giving up. These care tips will help preserve your wood jewelry to stay looking as good as new for as long as possible. Having a routine to take proper care of your jewelry makes all the difference when it comes to keeping your ears happy and healthy. At Arctic Buffalo, we care about providing you with quality products and recommendations for your stretched ears. We don't want anyone to miss out on the chance to wear beautiful wood products, which is why we want everyone to know that the key to success is all in the oiling process.